Hey people, you're welcome back to Styled by Gat. In today's video, we are going to be making the trending snake braid. So I'm just going to make some samples for you, and I'll give you tips on what you should do and what you shouldn't do that the snake braid will come out at its best. Okay, first of all, you have to make the root, and making the roots you can make it knotless or with knot, but I will recommend knotless braid because every braid is more beautiful when it's made in knotless. Okay, so make it to some point and tie the root. So after you have tied the root, pick a little from the middle of your extension. Make sure that the part you are picking includes all the hair that is involved in the braid. Pick all the hair with that little attachment or Brazilian wool, then twist it. When you are done with the twist, come back to the root and start braiding using that twist as the third strand of your braid. So when you are done with the braid, you fold it or you drag that twist, then the braid will fold back. Then arrange the folding so it will not be congested. You can see the way it is now. You can see that it has the shape of a folded snake. Alright, tie the tips of your braid, then you come back and curl the tips. I will show you that later. Concerning the coils, you can make any style of coil you want. This is the style I want to put on this braid. So now this is what you shouldn't do. When dipping the braid inside hot water, do not put the body of the braid inside hot water, just the tips where you want to coil. In the case of when you are coiling the tips, you can make this braid as well without coiling the tips. Just dip the tips inside hot water. Why? Because this braid are meant to stand like this, just like you do your jungle braid without dipping them inside hot water. Do this one too without dipping them inside hot water, because when you dip them inside hot water, they will lose their shape. They are going to dangle. They will not stand straight, that you will see the braid itself. So you don't want your braid to be shapeless or nameless after dipping them inside hot water. So don't dip them inside hot water, just dip the tips inside hot water. Okay. By the way, you can use Brazilian wool to make this braid. You can make this braid longer if you want. You can make it fatter or slimmer. Anyhow you want the braid, you can make them. This is just for sample and to put out corrections on not putting them inside hot water. Okay, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, share this video with those who will need it. Thank you for clicking on my video. Bye.